Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm going to use some of these little sponge daubers today, and I'm going to make a birthday card using this stencil here. Now, I don't know where this stencil's from. I got it in, I think it was a gift, or maybe it was a haul that I bought. So I'm not quite sure where it came from. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to get some washi tape, and I'm just going to stick my stencil down. I don't even know if this piece of cardstock is just a piece of Whisper White. I don't even know if it's square or not, but we'll sort that out later. So there's my washi tape, and now I'm going to decide what colours to use. I'm going to use a Blushing Bride. I'm going to use So Saffron. I'm going to use three colours. Party, I think. So I'm going to use these three colours here. And I've got no idea how this is going to turn out, so your guess is going to be as good as mine. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to work from the middle and migrate out. So I'm going to start off with my pink. I'm going to squeeze some ink. This is Blushing Bride. Okay, so let's see what we're left with. Underneath, I'm hoping that this is going to become our card front. If you wanted to add some glitter, maybe now's your chance. But you may want to do that differently in a minute. Oh, look at that, it's beautiful. Oh, I love that, it's gorgeous. So yeah, so then this will just wash, as will your daubers. But I'm going to do something else, which is something I saw. I've got a birthday card here that I got from the rat group I belong to, and I'm going to copy this because I just love it so much. So I'm going to just get a piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to do mine in three colours, the three colours I've used here, and I'm also going to use that same stamp, and I'm going to heat emboss. I'm going to do exactly what she's done there because I just love it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my three colours again. My stencil can be cleaned now. And I'm going to just do mine slightly different. I'm going to start with pink. Where they came from. So I think it's Falling Flowers. Yes, I'm pretty sure she's used this. This is Falling Flowers. I'll just get my heat tool around here because it's over there. Right, so I've gone away and I've done a few bits and bobs. And what I've done is I've decided to make this a So Saffron card base with a Whisper White layer. And what I've done is I've very subtly stamped using the Blushing Bride. I've stamped off and stamped on using the same stamp that I've embossed there. And I've just stamped Enjoy. And for this one, I've got a layer of Blushing Bride. The butterfly stamp is going to go on it. And then I've stamped in Pool Party, Happy Birthday, and that's going to go across like so, just across the butterfly. I don't know whether to put it just across the middle. I think I'm just going to put it across the middle. Okay, so they're very simple cards. I've just got a wink of Stella because I just thought that it might. I thought it might look nice going over this Enjoy here. So I'm going to do that. So I've just, oh it does, it looks lovely. So I've just put that over the Enjoy. It does look really nice. And then I thought where I might put it on this card is just dot it around here and there. So this So Saffron card base then is, and you know that I didn't like cut my card first. I'm just going to take this sheet out because it's just a scrap sheet now. So the So Saffron card base is 5 inches by 4 inches, and then so it's 10 by 4, and then it's just scored at the middle at 5, and then this base, this layer is just 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, and that's just going to be tomboed onto there. See, I made a bit of a mistake with it. On the back, but never mind, because there's always 2 sides to everything. So it's good to remember that sometimes when you only hear one half story. And then I'm going to just put Tombow on the other side. And then I'm just going to fasten that onto there, quite close to the edge of that. And that has made a beautiful card actually. I love that. I'm just going to press it down from the back because I don't want to nudge that wing Stella off or anything. That's gorgeous, look at that. The Enjoy shimmering, and oh, I love that. That's really nice. It's a lovely birthday card. And then the other one, I think it's the same size. I think it's a 4 by 5 as well. This time Whisper White, so it's a 10 by 4, and it's scored in the middle there. And then I've got a Blushing Bride piece, which is a 1/4 inch smaller, all the way around. That's going to go onto there. And then I don't know if you saw the video I did where I cased some cards from the new catalogue, but they were very, very simple. They were white and they had a band, just a band with the greeting on, and that's where I sort of took that inspiration from to make this. But I'm going to make it, I was going to make it bow out, but then you've got a problem with the envelope, haven't you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around. So I want it to be flat, so I'm going to glue it. My dog wants to go outside, I think. I'm just going to get it lined up. Use your grid paper to help you line things up. It's something I don't do very often. And then you can either fold it around or just clip it off. I'm going to fold mine around because I just want it to look a little bit better finished off, if you like. I want it to look like it was a definite design feature to have it like that. And if you wanted to, what you could have done was put this strip underneath your stencil as well, and then you could have stenciled onto your strip, which would have been quite a good idea. Would have looked quite nifty actually. Just going to put a bit of glue on the outside of there just so that it sticks down. Oops. That's just going to go on there. So I think this is the first time you've ever seen me stencil, and the first time I've ever used sponge daubers on camera as well. So, oh, it's all going on because it's my birthday. See, I'm pushing the boat out. Look at that, how gorgeous that is. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there's two gorgeous birthday card ideas for you. Very simple. Little bit of effort and time required, but they are beautiful. And they're still quite simple. You don't need to be I'm not very good at card making. So yeah, they're lovely. Okay. So thanks for joining me.